How to reset Instagram Explore page in less than 1 minute. First thing, open the Instagram. Now, after you go to the Explore page, all what you have to do here is make sure to put a like on the posts that you like, and also you need to click on this save option to save it. Do the same thing with all the posts that you like, and Instagram will start recommend you like those posts. After you finish doing the same thing again and again, now you have to restart your phone, turn it off and on, and then reopen Instagram, and the explore page must be reseated into the content that you like. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching this video until the very end. See you later.